Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today, we're at the Sofitel City Centre Singapore, a 5-star luxury establishment nestled in the business-centric district of Tanjong Pagar. The hotel can get rather busy, so the staff offered us tea and coffee in the lounge, while we waited for our rooms to be ready. The executive lounge doesn't appear to be operating, so higher-tiered Accor guests are out of luck. The lounge was relatively spacious, well upholstered, and offers views of the pool deck. Around 4 p.m., our room was ready. The 38 square meter luxury room is the lead-in category room at this hotel. Immediately to the left, there is a full-length mirror and a bench to place your luggage, above which you can find a yoga mat and a gym bag. To the right is the bathroom, elegantly furnished and tiled with marble, featuring a comfortably sized drop-in bathtub and bespoke leather-bound toiletry and vanity boxes. There are separate cubicles for the WC and rain shower. Bath amenities are by LANVIN. Moving on, there is a minibar counter where you will find an espresso machine, pods, and glassware. There is also a mini fridge beneath the minibar counter. A large 50-inch LCD TV sits opposite the bed. There is a bench at the foot of the king-size bed, which features Sofitel's My Bed mattress. Next to the bed is a single gray fabric armchair with burnt orange accents and an accompanying ottoman. Need to get some work done? There is a large black leather-bound work desk with a tan leather chair. The wardrobe is located just outside the bathroom, which contains an ironing board and plush bathrobes. Now let's head out to explore the hotel facilities. The pool is elevated and features an infinity edge design. However, there is a considerable gap between the pool's edge and the edge of the building. While engineered with safety in mind, this layout detracts from some of the allure of the infinity edge design. Lastly, the on-site gym is rather compact and features 4 treadmills. However, 2 have been blocked for social distancing. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the luxury room at the Sofitel City Centre Singapore. See you in the next one.